Do you think it's hard to put together a lower body workout that targets all of your muscles? Well, I will help you today with 6 exercises that will target the full lower body. So as I promised you last time, we are going to the gym. See you there. Alright, so we are starting with a barbell squat. It is one of the basis movements, so it's very important to incorporate into your training. So we are standing with feet shoulder width apart, and we're bending our knees, going down into a 90-degree angle. And it's very important to keep your back straight and just take as much weight as you feel comfortable. Here I am doing it for 10 repetitions, 3 times. Our next movement is going to be a Romanian deadlift, and compared to a normal deadlift, the feet are a little bit closer to each other and our legs are more stiff. So usually I do every exercise with a barbell without weight first, just to activate the muscles, and then I'm adding the weight, and here I am doing 10 repetitions 3 times again. And remember to tuck your shoulders back before starting the exercise. And remember to have stiff legs, and you're gonna feel it in the hamstrings. And if you do it more slowly, you're gonna feel the burn even more. Alright, so our next exercise is going to be a lunge. And lunges are unilateral movements, meaning we are using one leg at a time, and it's really important to incorporate into your training to make sure that we are training each leg as much as the other leg. And it's a compound movement, so you're using both your quads, glutes and hamstrings. And you can have a bag on your shoulders or no weights. I'm using dumbbells here just for the easiness of it. And one step forward. And make sure your knees are pointing at the same direction as your feet. And the next exercise, we're going into an isolated movement in the leg press machine. So here we are doing inclined leg presses, and it's an isolated movement where we use our quads. And you should have your feet in the middle and your toes pointing a little bit outwards, making sure your knees and your toes are pointing in the same direction. And we do 10 reps, 3 sets, and make sure your knees are always bent a little bit. Now we have done 3 compound movements where we used all of our muscles in our legs, and we've done 1 isolated movement for our quads. So now it's time to do 1 isolated movement for our hamstrings. However, our glutes are working as well in this equipment. So this is a hamstring curl, and take time in the beginning to adjust the machine to your position to do the right setup for you. And we'll do 10 reps, 3 sets again, and make sure you have the perfect weight for you so it's not too easy. And a good tip is to really in the last rep really squeeze the glutes, and you're gonna feel the burn. Our last exercise is going to be a seated calf raise, and this is very important to do exercises for the calves as well. There are a lot of, especially women, neglecting this part of the body, but it's important to train all of your muscles in your body. I love to do more reps and lower weight on this exercise, and I love to pulse, as you can see here in the middle of the rep. There you have it. That is 6 exercises for your leg day. That is 3 compound and 3 isolated. Alright, that was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it and that you will use it or get some inspiration for your own lower body workout. Have a great day and see you in the next video.